Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down and go to the software information, localize build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Then let's go back to the general list of the settings and go to the system management, and here tap on developer options. Now all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on this switcher. And from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted and whenever the updates will be available. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.